In this video, I'm going to show you how to move folders in New Outlook. So over here on the left inside New Outlook, you can see you have your emails, and you simply want to click on the specific email where you want to move the folders, and it's actually super simple. All you have to do is click on the folder and then simply drag it and drop it where you want to move it. So for example, if you have like a different email as well, you could just go down towards it and then just release when you're done, and just like this, it's gonna get moved, okay? You could also move them inside over here. So as you can see inside a specific like email inbox, you can move it as well. But over here, if you do a right click, you could also click on the move button, and that's also going to allow you to basically move this to wherever you want, okay? So you can just go and basically type in the folder or group name, and you'll be able to move it up there, or you could go and make it kind of a subfolder as well. So if I wanna, for example, make this folder over here a subfolder of inbox, I could click on move over here, and as you can see, it's now a subfolder as well, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.